What if the biggest threat to Elon Musk's robot empire isn't coming from some shadowy Chinese lab or a tiny startup, but from a massive global car giant that just poached one of Tesla's most important robotics masterminds? Yesterday, Hyundai Motor Group dropped a straight-up bombshell. They've hired Milan Kovac, the former vice president and head of Tesla's entire Optimus humanoid robot program. He's coming in as a group advisor and outside director at Boston Dynamics. This isn't some random move. This is the guy who took Optimus from upside-down robot arms in a lab to real factory pilots and vision-based AI dominance. And now all that Tesla knowledge is heading straight to Hyundai's robotics empire. Is this the crack that starts crumbling Elon's robot kingdom? Is the West, Tesla, Figure, Agility Robotics suddenly in total panic mode? Or is Musk about to hit back with something absolutely insane? Welcome to Hypertech AI, your no BS front row seat to the wildest AI and robotics drama happening right now. If you live for the humanoid race that's about to flip factories, warehouses, and maybe even your home upside down, hit subscribe, smash the bell, and let's unpack this earthquake together. Let's start with who Milan Kovac actually is, because most people don't know his name. But inside Tesla, he's a straight legend. This guy is the unsung hero who helped build the foundation of Tesla's AI dominance. He joined Tesla in 2016 from Kinetic, right when autopilot was exploding onto the scene. Kovac was the genius behind the second-generation autopilot, the one that went full vision only, ditched radar and LiDAR, used in-house chips and cameras, and basically forced the whole world to play catch-up. Imagine that. A system so advanced, it redefined self-driving cars overnight. Then, in 2022, Elon personally tapped him to lead Optimus as director of Optimus and autopilot engineering. At that point, Optimus was basically nothing. Kovac even posted about starting with a couple of inverted KUKA arms. He built the whole team from scratch, pushed vision-based end-to-end learning, so the robot learns everything directly from raw input to action, got it walking, grabbing objects, and eventually into real factory testing. We're talking about humanoid robots that could one day assemble your next Tesla. By 2024, he's promoted to vice president after nailing those pilots. When he left in June 2025, Elon publicly shouted him out, calling it an honor to work together. Kovac said he wanted more family time abroad, but 7 months later, boom, he's back in the game, this time on the Hyundai side. This is hype-level stuff, people, the kind of talent poach that could shift the entire humanoid robot landscape. Why does this matter so much? Because humanoid robots aren't just sci-fi anymore. They're the next trillion-dollar frontier. Machines that look like us, move like us, think like us, blending AI brains with physical bodies to do jobs humans hate or can't. Kovac knows how to make that happen at scale. And now Hyundai has him locked in. Now look at Hyundai's side. They're not playing small ball. They own Boston Dynamics outright, and they're turning it into a humanoid powerhouse. You know Boston Dynamics from those viral videos that blow your mind. Spot the robot dog running around factories like it's on a mission, Stretch moving boxes like it's nothing, and Atlas doing backflips, parkour, and impossible balance moves that make you question reality. Just last week at CES 2026, they unveiled the production-ready electric Atlas. This is no longer a research toy. It's built for the real industrial world. Up to 7.5 feet reach, lifts 110 pounds, works in freezing cold to scorching heat, swaps its own batteries autonomously, learns new tasks fast, and adapts on the fly. Imagine a humanoid robot that can handle the chaos of a car assembly line without breaking a sweat. All units for 2026 are already spoken for. First fleets going straight to Hyundai's own factories, and even Google DeepMind to get next-level AI brains plugged in. This is where the humanoid blend gets crazy. DeepMind's Gemini models could supercharge Atlas's decision-making, making it smarter than ever. Hyundai's chairman Chung Yui-sun is dead serious. They want to outrun Tesla, not just compete. Their roadmap? Build a dedicated factory that pumps out 30,000 Atlas units per year by 2028. That's not hype, that's industrial domination. Starting in 2028, Atlas starts doing part sequencing in Hyundai plants, organizing components perfectly with millimeter precision. Then by 2030, it's handling full assembly, heavy lifting, dangerous, repetitive jobs, all while working safely right next to human workers. Picture this, a factory floor where humanoids and humans team up seamlessly, boosting efficiency by 200%. They just hired another ex-Tesla NVIDIA engineer too. Now add Kovac, advising on mid to long long-term strategy, commercialization, and rolling out AI robotics across Hyundai's gigantic empire. Cars, logistics, services, everything. Kovac's Tesla experience could accelerate Atlas's Vision AI, making it see and react like Optimus, but with Boston Dynamics' superior hardware. This feels like Hyundai yelling, "We've got the factories, the global supply chain, the billions in cash, and now we've got Tesla's best robotics brain." Checkmate. The humanoid robot race just got a massive hype injection. Hyundai is positioning itself as the king of mass-produced humanoids. Now let's talk Tesla reality, because Optimus is still Elon's absolute golden child. He says robotics could end up being 80% of Tesla's future value. Bigger than cars, bigger than energy. This is the hype we've been waiting for. Humanoid robots integrated with Tesla's ecosystem. They've dropped some jaw-dropping demos. Folding laundry with delicate precision, smoother walking that looks almost human, learning new tasks from watching videos like a kid. Musk keeps teasing Gen 3 prototypes late 2025, full production ramp early 2026, maybe even selling high-volume units to other companies by the end of 2026. Imagine Optimus in your home, cooking dinner or helping with chores. That's the humanoid dream Elon is selling. But let's keep it 100. There's real drama building, and it's got the West on edge. Kovac left in June 2025 saying family time. Then in September 2025, Ashish Kumar, the Optimus AI team lead who drove video-based training and reinforcement learning, jumped ship to Meta. Production numbers. Musk wanted thousands built by end of 2025. Latest reports say only hundreds so far, with redesigns, pauses, and delays that scream growing pains. The new Optimus lead is Ashok Elaswamy. Great FSD veteran, no doubt, but losing two of your top robotics minds in such a short window? That's not nothing. That's a signal. Is the talent exodus starting? In the humanoid world, brains are everything. Losing Kovac to a rival is like losing your star quarterback mid-season. Elon always fires back hard. He's called competitors way behind before, and he's got Dojo supercomputers and FSD tech to blend into Optimus. But Kovac going to a direct rival that already has production-ready humanoid and real industrial-scale plans? That's not just a defect. That's a gut punch. The hype is real. Will Tesla accelerate or stumble in this humanoid showdown? This isn't just company gossip. This is the trillion-dollar physical AI war going thermonuclear. Humanoid robots are exploding onto the scene, blending cutting-edge AI with human-like bodies to tackle the impossible. Let's hype up the broader landscape. Tesla's Optimus is the flashy innovator, but Hyundai's Atlas is the industrial beast. Then there's Figure AI. Backed by OpenAI, they're blending ChatGPT-level brains into humanoids for warehouses. Agility Robotics Digit is already testing in Amazon facilities, walking on two legs and grabbing packages like a pro. 1X from Norway is pushing home assistant humanoids that learn from humans in real time. Don't sleep on China. Unitree's G1 humanoid is doing push-ups and flips for under 20K, and they're scaling fast. Fourier Intelligence's GR1 is blending exoskeletons with full humanoids for rehab and labor. The East-West humanoid divide is heating up. Hyundai's Move could bridge that, blending Korean manufacturing might with Western AI talent. Hyundai's advantages are brutal. Massive existing auto supply chains for cheap, reliable actuators and parts. No supply chain nightmares like Tesla's. Real factories where they can test, train, and deploy at scale right away, blending humanoid tech into billion-dollar operations. Boston Dynamics' 30-plus years of hardcore robotics know-how, balance, agility, durability that makes Optimus look clunky. And now Milan Kovac's Tesla playbook on Vision AI, fast iteration, and going from prototype hell to production reality. This blend could make Atlas the ultimate humanoid. Smart like Optimus, tough like Atlas. The West, Tesla, Figure, Agility Robotics, still has the innovation edge, the hype, the first mover vibe. But Hyundai is sprinting straight from research to mass commercialization. 30,000 units a year by 2028. That's the kind of volume that could flood the market with affordable humanoids, changing everything. So is this the moment Tesla's robot lead starts slipping? Or is Elon about to drop something wild, like full FSD integration, Dojo supercomputer training, or some crazy new prototype reveal that blows Atlas away? The humanoid hype is at fever pitch. Now, let's get speculative, because this humanoid blend has massive implications. If Hyundai wins this race, imagine a world where humanoids are everywhere. In your garage, fixing your car, in hospitals assisting nurses, in homes helping the elderly. Jobs? Yeah, millions could shift, but new ones emerge in robot maintenance, AI training, creative industries. The economy booms, but inequality spikes if only big cores control the tech. If Tesla fights back and dominates, Elon's vision of abundant humanoids could make life utopian. Cheap labor for all, humans freed for creativity. But risks, privacy nightmares with always watching robots, ethical dilemmas on robot rights, or even over-reliance leading to black swan events like mass hacks? The West should be in panic mode because Hyundai's move blends Eastern manufacturing scale with poached Western talent. It could tip the balance, but hype it up. This competition drives innovation faster. We're on the cusp of a humanoid revolution, and moves like this are the sparks. So yesterday, Hyundai straight up hired Tesla's Optimus boss. Atlas is production ready and shipping out. Tesla is losing key talent. The robot arms race just went full nuclear. Is Elon's empire starting to crack? Is the West in total panic? Or is this exactly the kind of fuel Musk needs to go supernova? Drop your hottest, most unfiltered take in the comments right now on Hypertech AI. Team Elon till the end? Hyundai about to dominate the world? Who actually wins this war? And what humanoid feature are you most hyped for? If this got your blood pumping about the future of robotics and AI, smash that like button. Subscribe to Hypertech AI for the freshest AI and robotics bombshells every single day. And turn on notifications, because tomorrow could bring even crazier news. Thanks for watching, fam. Stay locked in, stay ahead. Peace out.